Baby girl, what you doing with your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about my hair because a lot of people ask me things like how I touch it up, how it affects my curl pattern, and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. If you guys are interested, just stay tuned. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. So the number one question people ask me is how the bleach affects my curl pattern, how my hair stays curly, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to talk about that. So if you guys do not know, I had to bleach my hair 5 times to get it to this very super light platinum color. My hair isn't done today, which is why I have that hair wrap on, but this is what color my hair is if you guys don't know. A lot of people ask me, how does your hair stay curled, you know, through all the bleaching? So first of all, I have 4C hair to begin with. As you know, bleach does loosen your curl pattern, so when it loosens it, it's not gonna make it completely straight because that's a big transition from like super tight coils to straight. So basically, if your hair is looser, like let's say you have 3C hair to start off with before you bleach it, it's gonna be more likely to straighten than mine. So if your hair is coarser, you'll have less to worry about, but if your hair already has loose curls, like there is a possibility that they can become wavy or even straight. Also though, what you can do to, you know, reduce like all the damage that the bleach will do, like reduce how much it'll affect your curl pattern. If you're gonna bleach it multiple times, make sure you're conditioning in between each bleach and after, like condition, deep condition. Like that's so important when it comes to bleaching your hair. Also, protein treatments help add the strength back to your hair because obviously bleach strips and weakens your hair, which is how your curl pattern becomes looser to begin with. So as long as you keep moisturizing it, deep conditioning it, giving it protein treatments, that'll reduce how much it'll affect your curl pattern. But like I said, if your hair is coarser, it's gonna be less likely to become straight. If your hair is already loose, then it may become straight. Normally, what I do to get my hair to curl, because as soon as I come out the shower, my hair is very wavy, almost straight, but once it dries, it'll dry like this. So what I do, I have my Carol's Daughter Black Almond Leave-In Conditioner. I spray that all through my hair. Sometimes, depending on if I'm gonna wear it curled, I'll put like curling jelly. I have As I Am curling jelly, and I let it air dry, and then this is how it will dry. I mean, it's not done today. So this is my hair right now. It's not done or anything, which is why I have this head wrap on. But as you can see, like I still have a very tight coil going on, so it didn't affect my hair, my curl pattern too much. So that's what you can do if you notice that your hair is kind of straight. Just put some leave-in conditioner in it, let it air dry, and it should, you know, become curlier. Okay, so as far as maintaining this color, I did have to bleach my hair 5 times, and people always ask me how I touch up my roots when they grow back in. As you can see, my roots are growing back in, so I actually do need to touch it up very soon, probably maybe this weekend. I can't find a way to bleach just my roots. Like my hair is so short, there's not any possible way for me to just bleach the roots alone without bleaching all of my hair. So me personally, I just bleach over what's already, like I bleach my whole head again. And the only problem with that is though, since this is bleached 5 times and obviously the new growth hasn't been bleached at all, your roots will be a little darker than your ends if you do that. But my hair is so short, like you're barely gonna notice. So yes, I don't just touch up my roots, I just bleach it all over again. But also, I cut my hair so often that I'm not gonna keep bleaching over my hair over and over and over and over and over again, because eventually it's gonna get cut off. If you don't want to bleach over your hair, I really don't have any suggestions for you how to just bleach your roots, but I literally cannot find any possible way to just bleach my roots. As far as this color period, I did say I bleached it 5 times. I didn't use any toner, I didn't use any of that, because once I bleached it 5 times, it was super white. There were no undertones to try to tone out. There was none of that. So literally I just bleached it 5 times and this is what it came out with. You want to make sure that you're moisturizing it. Also, I definitely wouldn't recommend purple shampoo if your hair is this light, because purple shampoo is known to like tone down the brassiness of blonde hair. But if your hair is this light, the purple tint of the shampoo can transfer to your hair, and your hair can be a very subtle lilac color. I mean, if that's what you want, go for it, but if that's not what you want, stay away from purple shampoo. Oh, another thing people ask me is how I dye my hair so often. So as you guys know, or if you don't know, I use Adore dyes for all my hair colors. I've had pink, red, blue, purple, indigo. Normally, once I put the color in my hair, it is a semi-permanent dye, so it's not permanent anyway. So once it starts fading out and I just want to take it out, I just bleach it one time and it's usually out. The only color that didn't happen with was that red that I had. It was so vibrant. It took me like 3 bleaches to get it out and it still wasn't all the way out. That was super annoying. That's why I like to just stick to light pastel colors, but I just bleach it one time and then the color is gone. So it's super easy. If you don't want to bleach your hair to take it out, I don't know what to suggest. I've never used color oops, but that's something that you can use to remove color from your hair if you messed up or if you don't like it or whatever. But I can't give you any suggestions on that because I've never used it. So now, as long as you keep your hair healthy, you're not gonna have any problems with it. My hair doesn't fall out, it doesn't break off in the comb or anything like that. My hair is fine, whether y'all believe it or not. It is fine because, like I said, I condition it. Like I said, if you're gonna bleach it 5 times like I did, put some conditioner in between each time because you need to keep it healthy. Oh, another thing, bleach can really just literally snatch your edges, okay? So here's what I did. I bleached my whole head twice. The 3rd time I bleached everything but my edges and then put it on my edges like the last 10 minutes, and then the last 2 times I bleached, I didn't put it on my edges at all because I've definitely had some experiences where I've bleached my hair like 3 times or 4 times on my edges and then they're gone. So obviously you don't want to not have edges. So as you keep going, don't put it on your edges or don't put it on your edges as long because the bleach will literally, you'll wash it off and not have any edges, okay? I think that's pretty much it. You know, you just want to make sure that you're keeping your hair healthy. I keep saying that because bleach is nothing to play with. Your hair will fall out if you don't take care of it. So the most important things is to keep it moisturized, condition, protein treatments, low maintenance styling, all of that. So if you guys have any more specific questions, definitely just comment them below and I will answer them because I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I'm gonna end this video and be like, wow, I forgot to say that. Anyways, of course, follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. Also follow me on Twitter. I'm a little more active on Twitter now, so follow me. It's the same ad name. I have the same ad name for anything, so if you ever just want to find me, just search Janai Kirsten. That's what it is. I make it so easy for you guys. Also subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.